Hello, friends, welcome back again to our channel Unstoppable Digital Traveling Oxygen for Life. Friends, thank you so much for being with us, and we hope you are enjoying the channel and enjoying the videos that we have posted. Please be with us, and we will continue entertaining you in this channel. Today, both Soumik and myself welcome you again to this channel.
Hello everyone, hope you all are staying safe during the pandemic and also hope that you are enjoying our channel while staying at home. Thank you everyone for subscribing our channel too. Continue to stay with us for the exciting journeys that we will take you through.
Exactly, friends. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon notification so that you get to see all the updates that we are posting here time to time and get the instant access for all the videos. So, friends, let's start today's journey, friends.
Hello friends, we are going across the Mysore Palace and on this horse carriage. It is also called Tanga in the local language. And as you see in front lies the statue of Sri Jayachamrajendra Wadir. I am traveling with my family and wanted to show you around this beautiful city through the Tanga ride. So as you see, as I am heading straight, on my left hand side is the city bus stand, which is commonly known as the Mysore City bus stand, and all buses in and out of the city can be availed from this particular place. So you can see it is pretty organized, and at the same time, let me tell you, Mysore is also voted as one of the most cleanest city in India. So from the video also you will able to find how clean the city is, how well maintained the city is, especially the area around the palace. And it's wonderful place to for a hangover with friends and family, especially in the evening time. This video was also recorded in the evening and the weather was absolutely amazing. Basically, the Mysore Palace is a historical palace and the royal residence house at Mysore in the Indian state of Karnataka. It is the official residence of the Wadir dynasty and the seat of the kingdom of Mysore. The palace is the center of Mysore and faces the Chamundi Hills eastward. Mysore is commonly described as the city of palaces as there are 7 palaces including this one. It has an architectural style which is similar to the Indo-Saracenic style, and the construction of this monument started in the year 1897 and was completed in the year 1912. Owner of this monument is Maharani Pramoda Devi Wadir, and the architect who designed this goes with the name of Mr. Henry Irwin. The architectural style of domes of the palace is commonly described as Indo-Saracenic, with the blends of the Hindu, Mughal, Rajput, and Gothic styles. It is a 3-story stone structure with marble domes and has a 145-foot 5-story tower. The palace is surrounded by a large garden. The entrance gate and the arch hold the emblem and coat of arms of the kingdom of Mysore, around which is written the kingdom's motto in Sanskrit, Na Vibheti Kadachan, which means never terrified. The main complex is 245 feet in length and also 156 feet in width. There are fire extinguishing machines located in all parts of the palace in order to prevent any fires. The palace has 3 entrances: the east gate, The front gate opened only during the Dasara for the dignitaries. Then there is the south entrance for the public and the west entrance, which is usually opened only during the Dasara time. Also, friends, let me tell you, during Dasara, please plan your visit to this historical monument. It looks superb during that time. It's just exactly fascinating with the number of lights that has been installed, and generally, it is the entire building is illuminated, which itself is a view to see. The three-story stone building of a fine grey granite with deep pink marble domes has a facade with several expansive arches and two smaller ones flanking the central arch, which is supported by tall pillars. Above the central arch is the sculpture of Gajalakshmi, the goddess of wealth, prosperity, fortune, and abundance with the elephants. There are three major exclusive temple buildings within the old fort and about 18 inside the palace herd building. The palace was built adjacent to the even older Parakala Mutt headquarters, whose leaders have remained the Rajgurus or royal teacher and guide of the Mysore kings. The kings of Mysore were the devotees of goddess Chamundi, hence the palace facing the Chamundi hills. And let me tell you, friends, Chamundi is none other the fearsome of goddess Kali, or we refer to her as a goddess Kali in North Indian folklore.
So we enjoyed the Tanga ride on that evening, friends, exploring the city, and our parents also enjoyed it too. There are some more cities in the country where we can still see this kind of Tanga ride, and you can take a ride on those Tanga and explore the city. Jewel was not born at that time, and we took her again later when we visited this cleanest city of the country.
Friends, hope you all like the video. Friends, horse riding is really lot of fun when done using safety protocols and with utmost care. Horses are social animals, friends, and they can really sense the emotions and feelings that carry along with you when you go near to a horse. It is indeed fun experience, friends, and who knows it better than Jewel now, for whom we have become horses now, friends. Just look there.
What are we doing?
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोरा घोरे की दुम पे जो मारा हथौरा दौरा 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 घोरा दुम उठा के दौरा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोरा घोरे की दुम पे जो मारा हथौरा दौरा 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 घोरा दुम उठा के दौरा घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में था नाई घोड़े जी की नाई ने हजामत जो बनाई चकबक चकबक हे चकबक चकबक घोड़ा पाछा चौक में था नाई घोड़े जी की नाई ने हजामत जो बनाई दौरा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौरा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोरा घोरे की दुम पे जो मारा हथौरा दौरा 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 घोरा दुम उठा के दौरा घोड़ा अपना तगड़ा है देखो कितनी चर्बी है चलता है मेहरूली में पर घोड़ा अपना अरबी है
पाँव छुरा के दौड़ा घोड़ा, दुम उठा के दौड़ा, लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा, दुम उठा के दौड़ा। कम ऑन फ्रेंड्स, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा, दुम उठा के दौड़ा। ला 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 la 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 la. See you again in the next video. Please join me again, friends. Thank you. Bye bye for today.